Hi everyone, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to start off with these practice golf balls, and I'm going to paint one in the Waverly Chalk Paint Crimson. It only takes one coat to give it good coverage, and then I'll set it aside to dry. Now I'm using this foam core board in white, and I'm just making an oval with a stylus, and I'm going to cut it out with my X-Acto knife. I use this oval as a template and make two. I just clean up the edges as best as I can. I really need to get a new blade. And now I take the Waverly Chalk paint and ink, and I use one of those little daubers, and I'll just daub a circle on each one of the ovals. I used this cinnamon broom on a previous project. It was for Halloween. It was my little kitty cat wreath. So I'm repurposing it, and I just divide the little broom straws in half, and I bet you see where I'm going with this. I hot glue the eyes down on my broom, and I also hot glue the little red golf ball, which is his nose. I use this Sharpie paint pen, and I just give little highlights to the eyes. And now I use this pretty plaid ribbon I got from Dollar General and start making a bow. Dollar General has had the prettiest ribbons this year, and I stocked up on them. I have to say, I can't get rid of this cast too soon. Hopefully I'll get rid of it this week. But I've been blessed. It could have been much worse. One of my subscribers from my cooking channel's husband fell out of a tree right around the same time as I broke my arm, and he's in a body cast. And I'm thankful it's not my dominant arm. Things could always be worse. And now I'm using this pretty red burlap ribbon. I think it's gorgeous. And I just continue. I'm doing the Olivia bow, and I just keep on making my layers of my bows. Now, both of these ribbons I measured out 10 inches and just folded it back on itself. On the next one, I do 8 inches. I absolutely love this gold ribbon. It's like a netting. It's wired, but it is so pretty. And here you can learn from my mistake. I would twist it and then add another and twist it, and it's best just to add them all together and do one big twist. It gives you more chenille stem to work with when attaching, and it lets you get it tighter and able to fluff it out better. These ribbons are absolutely gorgeous together. And now I'm going to tell you about today's challenge. It's the Keep It Simple Sunday, hosted by Melissa Makes It DIY. This month it's co-hosted by Annie Jones. Both of these ladies are so talented, kind, and I just love them both. With Melissa, she was the very first person I collabed with, and I go visit Annie Jones almost every night on her live streams. I highly recommend these ladies. Go check out their channels and check out the playlist. There's going to be all kinds of talent. And the Keep It Simple Sunday is that we just keep it simple. We use no Cricut machines and no power tools. It's all standard simple tools. The fanciest thing I use is my glue gun. Here I decide to give my little reindeer just a little outline of a mouth, and I use the jute twine to do it. And I just hot glue a little bit of twine around him and just give him a little personality. And now I take some more of this pretty plaid ribbon and I just wrap it down the length of the broom handle. And here I'm ready to attach my bow. I just wrap it on with a chenille stem and I later on just give a little dab of hot glue to keep it more secure. Once I get my bow on, I continue fluffing. I decide to add some pine cones to the center. I got these from a pick I got from Dollar Tree, as well as those berries. I got some sticks from my yard and I just added them to the top to add to his antlers. I take another piece of jute twine and tie it onto the back for a hanger. And here he is. I added some poinsettias to the top to give him more decoration. I think he turned out absolutely adorable. If you like this, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when all my videos are uploaded. Thank you again, Melissa and Annie. Y'all check out their channels. You won't be disappointed, as well as the playlist. Until next time, bye y'all.